Welcome to this lesson on population in ecology. A population is one of the fundamental concepts you need to understand in biology. It refers to a group of organisms from the same species living together in a specific area. Let's define what a population actually is. A population is a group of organisms of the same species living in the same area at the same time. Notice the three key requirements here: same species, same area, and same time. All three conditions must be met for a group of organisms to be considered a population. Let's break down these three components. First, same species means all individuals must be capable of interbreeding with each other. Second, same area means they share a common geographic location. Third, same time means they must coexist simultaneously in that location. All three criteria work together to define a population. Here's a concrete example. All white-tailed deer living in Yellowstone National Park form one population. They are the same species, they live in the same geographic area, which is Yellowstone, and they exist there at the same time. This satisfies all three requirements of a population. It's equally important to understand what does not constitute a population. If you have deer, bears, and eagles all living in the same forest, they do not form a population because they are different species. Similarly, deer living in Yellowstone and deer living in Alaska do not form a single population because they are in different geographic areas, even though they are the same species. Populations have specific characteristics that ecologists study. Size refers to the total number of individuals in the population. Density is the number of individuals per unit area. Distribution describes how the organisms are spaced throughout their habitat. Growth rate measures how the population size changes over time. These characteristics help us understand and monitor populations. Understanding populations is crucial for several reasons. It helps with conservation efforts to protect endangered species. It enables resource management for sustainable harvesting of species we depend on. It also helps us understand ecosystem balance and how different populations interact with each other and their environment. To summarize, remember that a population is defined by three criteria. Organisms must be of the same species, they must live in the same location, and they must exist during the same time period. Understanding this concept is essential as you continue learning about ecology and how organisms interact in nature.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.